Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Misogynistic cultural practices are often so deeply entrenched that the state must make a more proactive effort to eradicate them. Full stop. Last week, the Senate Standing Committee on Law and Justice passed up such an opportunity when it rejected a constitutional amendment bill seeking to declare women's inheritance a fundamental right. Full stop. The bill moved by PMLN's Sadia Abbasi proposed the insertion of Article 24A in the Constitution, stating that no woman would be deprived of her share in inheritance. Full stop. Ms. Abbasi contended that while Islamic law entitled women to inherit movable and immovable properties, it had become routine practice for families to deny them this right. Full stop. New paragraph. Railways Minister Azam Swati, however, pointed out that such an amendment was needless given that laws pertaining to women's inheritance were already on the statute books. Full stop. Unfortunately, the latter view prevailed when the matter was put to a vote. Full stop. There is a vast disconnect between what the law says and what actually happens in the name of culture and tradition. Full stop. The Prevention of Anti-Women Practices Criminal Law Amendment Act 2011, among other provisions, added Section 498A to the Penal Code to criminalize the act of depriving women of their right to inheritance. Full stop. Anyone found guilty of this crime is liable to imprisonment of between 5 to 10 years and or a rupees 1 million fine. Full stop. New paragraph. However, those connected with grassroots Pakistan and the lived experience of many women, and not only among the lower socio-economic classes, know how often men subject their mothers, sisters, and daughters to emotional blackmail and worse, and compel them to forego their share of inheritance. Full stop. Sometimes the ugly reality behind closed doors emerges in the public domain. Full stop. Not long ago, a video surfaced on social media of women being savagely beaten by male relatives, allegedly for demanding their share in the family property. Full stop. For countless such women, the state must send an unequivocal message that women's right to inheritance is not a luxury conferred by men, but a fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution. Full stop.